Number two is occlusion. So if I had maybe a cube and it's sitting on a plane, the area where two surfaces are touching, think of it as almost forming a little crack or a crevice where light can't quite reach. Light's bouncing around, it doesn't have enough bounces or energy to get into those cracks, and that's where it's occluded. And so from where two bits are touching, I will just hatch outwards parallel to the edge that's occluded, and I can do that on my object or my occluded plane. Three is something I would call inverse highlights. So if I had something like a cylinder, and then my cylinder were painted, something like that, maybe a nice highlight in the middle. Look how easy that is. If it were to have texture like brush metal or anything else, the texture is going to appear in that center by disrupting the highlight basically. Can you see that the texture is appearing and blocking the highlight? Well, we can just draw those lines that are blocking the highlight without the highlight actually there, like this. Apply that to the face, and you could imagine that like the highlight of the cheek as it goes up, or the ridge where the forehead's turning, I could have those like lines of hatching on because it's where the skin would be catching a highlight.